Ding. Okay, get out.
What's up, everybody? Today we are playing roblox.
With my friend Lelynd. I mean, I did try to record a video with him earlier on Among Us, but, like, it failed. Miserably. And now, I guess we're just gonna... I haven't played Roblox in a decently long time, actually. So... And I especially haven't uploaded in a very long time. I'm very sorry about that. But, like... It's all good now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little laggy due to this recorder. This recorder kind of makes it laggy.
Hey, my screen is still correct side up. How do I get it, sideways?
Like, make sure that screen rotation is on.
Screen rotation. Where's that at?
Just, like, pull something down. Like, on your phone, you know how you pull down to see stuff, like notifications? Yeah, pull that down. I think it should show that.
Pull what down?
You know, like, where you have notifications.
Oh.
Height
I
school.
can't respond a call. Alright, wait, yeah, now I can. Alright, screen rotation. Oh.
If you see that, okay. Normally you would want to go. You would want like to go like around. You would want to go to your. Yeah. I'm not sure if being. Yeah. Go indoors. It's a sandstorm.
What is it?
Sandstorm. Oh no, this is gonna give me a headache. Did you know that this game is made by one of the richest people in Roblox?
Yeah, oh god, I'm in the sandstorm.
How are you supposed?
I made it inside. No, wait. I don't think you want to be inside, do you?
No, that's what you... Yeah, actually you don't. You want to be outside to avoid dodge flying objects. It literally says that. I'm trying to jump out a window. There we go.
Everybody, oh wait, no, the sand does kill you. Oh no, it doesn't.
No, just the flying stuff.
Well then everybody get away from the house. Why are those people inside? They're gonna die. The house is falling apart. Hating with you. You like my character?
Yeah, I like the Coke.
It's free.
Yeah, I don't really care for t-shirts like that. But your opinion's yours.
Oh my god, look at the house. It's falling apart.
Oh, this is a perfect time to dance.
It is. I don't have a lot of emotes, but I can still dance.
Or I could do bonk.
Oh my god, the house.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that was pretty easy.
I'm gonna do some emotes. I'm gonna do some of all of my emotes in order. Hello.
And look at the house. It got wrecked.
Bonk.
And now somebody just fell off. Somebody just fell off the
Shrug.
Yeah. Prison panic. Uh-oh.
4.
Alright. If I see a storm.
Oh, Brody's in the game.
Alright, I'm going up in the tower.
Brody's in the game. Lelynd, Brody's in the game.
And how do you know that?
Cause he's my friend on Roblox.
Alright. Oh, it's a tornado, I think.
It could be just a thunderstorm or a snowstorm.
Yeah,
or it could be a tsunami. It could be also a tsunami, though.
Well, if it's a tsunami, then there wouldn't be a cloud above us. It's a tornado or it's a thunderstorm. Yeah, hopefully it's a
Actually,
tornado.
when I played this game a lot. Oh,
And
Lelynd, get on the ground. Get at the very ground. Stand at the edge of the map. Stand at the edge of the map.
I'm in a blizzard tower.
Ah, Lelynd, stand on the ground.
Yeah, I'm standing on the ground at the front of the prison. Oh my god, no! It's coming to me!
No, at the edge of the map.
Yeah, I think I'm fine. Dude, the tower that I was in just got destroyed. I'm glad I didn't stay in that tower.
I'm coming towards you. Brody is the one with the dolphin. No! Oh well. Okay, so Lelynd, open your thing.
I got the screen fixed.
Brody is GDSBHSGC.
What does that mean?
That's Brody's username. See you later. Bye. Brody is so Lelynd, come downstairs.
Yeah, I'm downstairs.
Right, this is Brody that I'm jumping on right now.
Yeah, oh.
That's Brody.
Oh, Sunny Ranch. Oh God, that is cool.
You should probably yes. I think I'm gonna go on top of one of those thingies up here.
Yeah, there's a storm cloud coming. I'm gonna go into one of these big towers.
But I think we should stay midway until we find out what the disaster is.
Probably. What?
Did you just die?
I got some fall damage somehow.
Yeah, there's fall damage on this game.
Yeah,
Are you in
I
lobby?
think it's a thunderstorm. Yeah, oh, it's flash flood.
See? Cloud can
Get
mean...
up there, it's a flash flood.
I'm at the top.
Get up there.
I am up here.
Yeah, get up.
There's an L in the sky.
Yeah. Wait, Hayden, you want to get on top of the barn because those towers are gonna fall.
You're right. They
Wait,
might.
actually, you should be fine. Yeah, you're fine.
Oh no, it's wiggling.
No!
No! I jumped on the building! It's not possible to survive a flash flood on that map.
Hayden, what is this? Oh my god! Are you
How did anybody survive this? No!
The barn roof survived. As long as you were on the barn roof, you survived. I told you that those would fall. Oh my god, I feel so bad for you.
I know, right? Well, why am I a grade naked dude? Safety second! I love it. Oh. Why am I a grade naked dude?
Yeah, I don't know, but I'm staying inside one of these ground tubes. Yeah, oh my god, this is so bad.
What is going on right now?
I think it's an earthquake. Yeah, no.
It's a sandstorm.
No, it's a blizzard.
No, this is a sandstorm.
Yeah, oh wait, it is a sandstorm. Stand in the open. Everybody needs to stand in the open.
I'm gonna jump off the edge. Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye. Oh wait, I hit the wrong button. Goodbye, cruel world. And I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. I died. Yay.
I'm still alive. And that almost killed me.
I'm going to summon the Udzol. Bow.
I'm about to die.
That's nice.
Actually, no, I'm not. I'm at full health.
Okay. Jump. No, I fell again. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 dum, 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 dum.
What are you saying?
What is hurricane insurance?
I don't know. What is it? What are you doing?
Nom nom nom. Do you see your leaderboard? Like how
No,
it's
did I survive?
I think so. Did it was your name on the screen that just popped up?
I don't know. I'm looking at something.
Wah, 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 wah. There's still someone on the map.
How?
I'm not sure what this one is, but normally this one is either tsunami or flash flood.
I feel so bad for you.
Why?
Oh God, it's clear. Maybe it's gonna be a meteor shower.
Why would... What? Maybe.
Yeah, there's a meteor shower, and there's also a volcano eruption.
Yeah, I know that. I've played this game for a long time, so, but
Yeah,
I'm not quite sure. Let's just see. Flash flood, get to high ground.
Don't get on one of the lifeguard towers. Get on the building itself.
It's not possible for you to be able to... Oh, wait, you can get on the roof. Stupid.
Yeah, duh.
You're always able to get on the roof.
That's flooding fast.
Crud, crud, crap, 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 crap. I'm dying. No! Climb! Climb! Climb!
The lifeguard towers are gone.
I'm on top of the building.
Yeah, the building should be safe.
Yeah, I'm on the roof. Are you dead? Oh my gosh, are you like dead?
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm watching you. Oh my God, there's so many. Holy, how are you not?
You're the only one that died.
I'm the only one that died. Even the people that were on the lifeguard towers survived.
Well, people, I guess this is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, and I hope as much as Lelynd did, but,
Yeah, this is a bad map. The rocket literally falls down.
oh yeah, when you can get in the rocket, it literally kills you. But it's still fun to launch in.
I'm getting in its staircase then, because I've actually had really good luck with doing that.
Anyway, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will consider liking the video and maybe even subscribing to the channel. I'll leave the description. I'll leave Lelynd's channel in the description below, and I'm dead. I fell off the building, but goodbye, everybody. Peace out. Bye.
Oh no!
Lelynd, hurry, say bye.